We're gonna make a chicken burrito bowl like one of the ones you'd find at Chipotle. I'm gonna make this with all my favorite toppings, but we're gonna save a whole bunch of money because we're gonna make it at home. It's really easy. Check this out.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We've got some rice here, right into a pan. 2 times as much water as rice. So we're just gonna wait for that to come up to a boil. Once this cooks, we're gonna add cilantro and lime. Let's get to the meat of the matter. Got a pan right here. We're gonna hit it with some chicken. Let's add a little bit of oil to our hot pan, and we're gonna come in with our chicken. Flatten it out. We're gonna hit it with some salt and some pepper. So we're gonna use some spices to make this even better. Paprika, cumin, chili powder. It's gonna give us all those Chipotle flavors. We're gonna come in with some paprika. This gives you that sweet, sometimes a little bit smoky flavor. Some chili powder for heat. We gotta get some earthy flavor, right? That's cumin. It's really lovely. I wanna add a little more heat to our chicken in the form of red pepper flakes, which we can get from our packet drawer, and that means free flavor. Without actually using Chipotle peppers, all these spices are gonna mimic those flavors. The heat, the spice, the smoke. Let's mix this up. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It's dark meat, which means it holds more moisture and naturally has more flavor than breasts. So our rice is boiling. I'm gonna turn it down to low, and I'm gonna cover it. I'm smelling for aromas. I'm looking for caramelized color on the chicken. I'm gonna add some water to the pan, and that not only deglazes the pan, but it also boils the chicken. So if you were 90% cooked all the way through, you're gonna be 100% cooked all the way through now. This water has reduced down like a delicious glaze. So I'm gonna kill the heat right here, and that's just gonna be and a beautiful gloss all around our chicken. So while that chicken cools, we're gonna make the corn salsa, which is my favorite, and that's what I get when I go to Chipotle. Frozen corn goes into our bowl. We're hitting it with some minced jalapeno for heat. Got some finely diced red onion. Got some cilantro in there, brightness, color, phantasma. Now we're gonna get the zest and juice of 2 limes. I love a good lime. We don't wanna miss out on that free flavor. Zest goes in. Now, let's get the juice, and I will use the Struggle Lime Juicer 4000, and I'll just get that in there and sort of break apart this beautiful citrus. Salt, and some pepper. I can mix that up. The rice is ready. Ta-da! Let's dress this up. We've got a lime. Squeeze the lime juice right in. Some cilantro. Just like that with 2 ingredients, cilantro and lime, it feels like we're eating at the restaurant. My chicken's ready, my rice is ready, my salsa's ready. Let's assemble. The rice comes. Does that seem like a good amount? Yes. We've got some beans going down. Our chicken. Oh, that looks so good. It smells fantastic. We're gonna hit it with some cheese. And yes, I got this from a block that I shredded myself because that's how it tastes best and costs least. We've got our corn salsa. Got a little bit of sour cream, so we'll just throw that right there. So we just finish off with a little bit of lettuce right here. Now for the real question, should I pay extra for guac? Today the answer is yes, because I saved my pennies and we can just get a big dollop right on there now. We've got our chicken burrito bowl. It's looking fantastic, it's smelling fantastic, and it comes to only $2.99 a serving. But now we taste. Come on in. Seriously, where are the takeout bags? Where's the receipts? Who swapped out my dish with this? The chicken is juicy and smoky and spicy, everything you'd get at the restaurant. That cilantro lime rice that balances it all out. And then I feel like extra baller because I got guac, which usually costs extra. And it does here too, but less so because I made it at home. It's no surprise this is such a hit. It's a strike.